Hi guys, hello, this is Anastasia from Ericsson Nissan, and today I want to show you one unit we got in stock, the Pathfinder SL, and the main is the color. I know it's dirty, but look how it's sparkling, just like Camelo. Show you closer. I don't know if it's visible, but I like the sparklings. I know it's dirty. But here it is. It will be clean soon and you can come on a test drive. SL all-wheel drive, 8-seaters. Just beautiful, stunning vehicle. And intelligent and safe. Don't remember also about that. I'll show you later the review about that.